Radhika for the touch-up and all?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, Radhika, please, yeah, jaldi आओ ना.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
ये बहुत shiny हो गया. I'm good.
ज़्यादा शाइनी हो गया क्या?
हाँ, weekend was busy. What about yours?
Same हो गया. अच्छा, anyway, where is Tanya? Huh?
Tanya? अच्छा हाँ, she's gone to pick up Nitin and some resources along the way. You want to come for drinks after this?
I'm actually too busy after this. How about next weekend?
Busy person.
We're live in 3, okay? Come on, start, Radhika, hurry up. Yeah. So, Mr. Surya, what was the driving force in your life because of which you reached the zenith of your career as a journalist? Or rather, who was it?
Well, I would say just like a typical story.
Oh.
It was because of a girl.
Oh my God! So Mr. Surya here is a romantic boy.
अब ऐसे भी मत बोलो.
So, कैसे उसने इंस्पायर किया आपको?
मैं उससे फर्स्ट टाइम अपने कॉलेज में मिला था, ऑफ कोर्स, एंड मैं अपने कॉलेज का एक डिसेंट बैडमिंटन प्लेयर था.
Oh, you being modest, right?
It's nothing like that. अच्छा, anyway, मैं अपने कॉलेज का एक डिसेंट बैडमिंटन प्लेयर था और एक बार प्रैक्टिस करके मैं वापस लौट रहा था. That is when I saw her for the first time. She was reading a book. पूरी सजी हुई थी, I would say, and तभी अचानक से एक पेपर उसका बुकमार्क था, I guess, वो उड़ के, अब आप फिल्मी कहो या जो भी, it's like मेरे सामने ही आके गिरा वो. Before I could figure out कि उस पेपर में क्या था, she comes from nowhere and snatches it from me. So I couldn't see her face, but मैंने उसके बुक का नाम देख लिया था. So she fled anyways. Next week I went to the library and I saw the same book. So out of curiosity I just started, started reading it. And अचानक पीछे से एक आवाज आती है.
Are you stalking me?
So I looked up and I see the same reader girl I saw the other day. रोज लाइब्रेरी में मिलके हम लोग बुक्स डिस्कस करते थे. You can say we bonded over books more or less. And then वक्त बीतता गया, फिर कहाँ प्रोफेसर्स और कहाँ कलीग्स, कहाँ फ्रेंड्स. होता है ना कि आप किसी से अटैच हो जाते हो तो अब ओके, दिस मे साउंड अ बिट चीजी, बट जब आप अटैच हो जाते हो किसी से तो आपकी एक छोटी सी दुनिया बन जाती है अपने में, so it was like that for us, it was just Kritika and Surya. So it was really nice. और उसकी इतनी आदत लगी थी कि it was really hard to imagine my life without her. It would be defunct. कुछ काम ही नहीं करता. It was a birthday and I came running. मैं थोड़ा लेट हो गया था. She was waiting for me at a restaurant. कान पकड़ के ऐसे सॉरी बोला. I remember it very well. और फिर उसके बाद she was all cool कि कोई बात नहीं होता है. And then suddenly out of nowhere, and then I sat on my knees. She thought I was going to propose. So then I took out a cupcake, and she was really disappointed then. अचानक से I told her to close her eyes. Yes, I remember. So I told her to close her eyes, or then I took out a ring from my right pocket, I guess, yes. And उसके बाद I told her to open her eyes, and when she looked, she was ecstatic. She was so happy, and I was so happy. Everything was just going on perfect. She said yes, and I was really happy. That was the happiest day of my life. College end होने लगा, placement के days आ गए, and I remember being in this interview. I was extremely nervous, and the interviewer asked me a few questions, and I answered almost all the questions correctly, almost. And they were really happy, the interviewers. They dropped a hint here and there that I have almost got it. So I was really happy that yes, I have it in my bag now. बाहर निकला, देखा she was waiting Kritika, and I thought I would play around with her initially, but मैं से रहा नहीं गया. I just spoke it out कि yes, I got the job. So she jumped. She jumped इतने जोर से that she broke the chain of her bag. Yes, I remember. And then उसके बाद I picked up the bag. हम लोग साथ में walk करने लगे and मैं उसको बता रहा था कि what happened in the interview, what questions they asked, और यही सब बता रहा था. And that is when it showed its first signs. फिर जैसे जैसे मेरा करियर फ्लरिश होने लगा, उसकी तबीयत और बिगड़ती गई. मैं काफ़ी देर हॉस्पिटल में रहता था. I didn't feel like working anymore. और एक दिन I was sitting in the hospital right next to her. I said to her, Kritika, you're dying. And she reacted in such a casual way. तो क्या? I was like, कैसे कोई इंसान ऐसे बोल सकता है? She said to me कि तुम्हारे लाइफ में सिर्फ मेरा फेस पॉज हुआ है. And मेरी वजह से तुम अपनी करियर अपनी ज़िंदगी पे पॉज मत लगाओ. Keep playing because that's what winners do. मैं थोड़ी देर चुप रहा. इनफैक्ट काफ़ी देर चुप रहा. And then I said to her कि I don't feel like winning anymore. Welcome to the news of the world. You're watching the news in short, which is brought to you by Renaissance Housings. So first on the news is that India has won the T20 World Cup 2018. The game was a tense one, but finally with a knock of 1-3 not out, Captain Virat Kohli secured the game for India. Fans across the country are in a state of euphoria.
But I have a question. आपने तो बोला था कि she was the driving force of your life. And अभी आपने ये बोला कि you don't want to win anymore. So हुआ क्या?
And the last bit of today is that the daughter of the business magnate Harsh Chhabra, Kritika Chhabra.
Are you stalking me?
It was just Kritika and Surya. Kritika Chhabra died of pancreatic cancer. She deserved a very private life, and this is the last photo of her that we could acquire. That's all for tonight, ladies and gentlemen. See you tomorrow on the same show. Till then, good night. उसकी बात कैसे टाल सकता था?